Welcome back to the channel, outdoor enthusiasts. If you're getting ready for your next camping trip, having the right cookware is essential for a great meal experience. Today we're counting down the top 5 best camping cookware sets that combine convenience, durability, and portability for all your outdoor cooking needs. Let's dive right in. At number 5, we have the Joshe Camping Cookware Set. The Joshe Camping Cookware Set is a comprehensive 9-in-1 cooking solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts, accommodating 3 to 5 people. Whether you're planning a weekend camping trip or a longer backpacking adventure, this set promises to meet your cooking needs with convenience and safety. Let's explore the key features, along with the pros and cons of this camping cookware set. Pros. D. Comprehensive cooking solution with 9 pieces. The Joshe set provides everything you need for meal preparation and serving, making it a versatile addition to your camping gear. Compact and lightweight, the ability to nest the cookware together and the lightweight design make it easy to pack and carry, essential for outdoor adventures where space is limited. Health-conscious materials. The lack of coatings and BPA-free materials means you can cook without worrying about harmful chemicals leaching into your food, promoting healthier cooking practices. User-friendly design. The foldable handles and silicone covers enhance usability and safety, making cooking over a campfire or stove more convenient and less hazardous. Durability. For outdoor use, constructed from durable stainless steel, the cookware is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor cooking, ensuring it can handle high temperatures and rough handling. Cons. No non-stick feature. While stainless steel is durable, it lacks the non-stick properties of some other materials, which might require more effort in cleaning and could affect cooking certain foods like eggs or pancakes. The Joshe Camping Cookware Set is an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts looking for a reliable, portable, and comprehensive cooking solution. Its thoughtful design and high-quality materials make it suitable for various outdoor activities, ensuring you can prepare delicious meals no matter where you are. Next up, at number 4, we have the Zhuoji Camping Cookware Set. The Zhuoji Camping Cookware Set is designed for outdoor enthusiasts looking for a lightweight, efficient, and versatile cooking solution for their camping and hiking adventures. With a focus on portability and durability, this cookware set aims to provide everything you need for preparing meals in the great outdoors. This video will explore its key features, pros, and cons to help you decide if this set is the right fit for your next adventure. Pros. Lightweight and portable. The anodized aluminum construction makes this cookware set incredibly lightweight, which is crucial for backpackers and campers who need to minimize their gear weight. The foldable design further enhances its portability. High-quality non-stick surface. The non-stick Teflon coating allows for easy cooking and cleaning, reducing the hassle of scrubbing pots and pans after a meal. This feature is especially valuable in outdoor settings where cleaning supplies may be limited. Durable and heat-efficient. The cookware's ability to withstand high temperatures and quickly transmit heat ensures that meals can be prepared efficiently. This is particularly advantageous for cooking in various outdoor conditions. Safe and non-toxic materials. All components of the Zhuoji cookware set are made from non-toxic materials, which is reassuring for health-conscious campers who prioritize safe cooking options. Suitable for small groups. The set is designed for 2 to 3 people, making it perfect for couples or small family outings. This makes it a great choice for weekend camping trips or day hikes. Cons. Limited cooking capacity. While the set is perfect for small groups, it may not be suitable for larger parties or families. Those who often camp with larger groups may find themselves needing additional cookware. The Zhuoji Camping Cookware Set is a solid choice for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a lightweight, efficient, and versatile cooking solution. Its high-quality materials, non-stick surface, and compact design make it perfect for camping, hiking, and picnicking with small groups. Taking the 3rd spot is the Pacoone Camping Cookware Set. The Pacoone Camping Cookware Set is designed for outdoor enthusiasts who need a compact and reliable cooking solution for their camping, hiking, and backpacking trips. With a focus on portability, durability, and functionality, this cookware set aims to enhance your outdoor cooking experience. In this video, we will explore its key features, pros, and cons to help you determine if this set meets your needs. Pros. Compact and portable. The foldable design is a standout feature, allowing for easy storage in backpacks or camping gear. This makes it an excellent choice for campers and hikers who prioritize lightweight and space-saving equipment. Durable materials. The use of high-quality aluminum alloy ensures that the cookware set can withstand the rigors of outdoor use. This durability means it can endure bumps and scratches without compromising performance. Versatile cooking options. The ability to boil water makes the Pacoone set suitable for a variety of cooking tasks, from preparing meals to making hot beverages. This versatility is essential for those who enjoy cooking while camping. User-friendly design. The simple design makes it easy to set up and use, allowing campers to focus on enjoying their outdoor experience rather than struggling with complicated cookware. Lightweight. The aluminum alloy construction not only adds durability but also keeps the overall weight of the cookware low, making it easy to carry during hikes and outdoor activities. Hands. Basic design. The straightforward design, while functional, may lack some features found in more advanced cookware sets, such as non-stick coatings or additional accessories. Campers looking for extra conveniences may find this set a bit too basic. The Pacoone Camping Cookware Set offers a practical and durable solution for outdoor cooking, making it a great choice for campers and hikers seeking lightweight and compact equipment. Its foldable design, high-quality aluminum construction, and versatility for boiling water provide significant benefits for outdoor cooking scenarios. Coming in at number 2 is the Lism OUT2104 Camping Cookware Set. The Lism OUT2104 Camping Cookware Set is designed for outdoor enthusiasts who prioritize quality, portability, and ease of use. Made from high-quality aluminum, this cooking set promises excellent performance whether you're camping in the woods or having a backyard barbecue. In this video, we'll explore the key features of this cookware set and weigh the pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right fit for your outdoor adventures. Pros: excellent thermal conductivity. The aluminum construction allows for quick and even heating, ensuring your food cooks thoroughly and efficiently. Compact and portable. The lightweight design and mesh storage bag make it easy to pack and carry, making this set ideal for camping trips, hiking, or other outdoor activities where space is limited. User-friendly features. The non-stick interior simplifies cooking and cleaning, while the insulated handles enhance safety and comfort, allowing for a more enjoyable cooking experience. Versatile use. This cookware set is not only great for camping but also suitable for home use, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen gear. Durability. The oxidized aluminum construction helps the cookware withstand high temperatures and regular wear and tear, ensuring it lasts through many camping adventures. Cons: forget aluminum material concerns. Some users may prefer stainless steel or other materials for their durability and cooking performance, especially when it comes to non-stick coatings, which can wear off over time. The Lism OUT2104 Camping Cookware Set is a reliable and efficient choice for those who enjoy outdoor cooking. With its lightweight, compact design, excellent thermal conductivity, and user-friendly features, it caters well to the needs of campers and outdoor enthusiasts. And finally, our top pick, the Naturehike Camping Cookware Set. The Naturehike Camping Cookware Set is designed for outdoor enthusiasts who need a versatile and practical solution for cooking while camping, hiking, or picnicking. This all-in-one kit includes essential cookware and utensils to make outdoor cooking convenient and efficient. In this video, we will explore the key features, pros, and cons of the Naturehike Camping Cookware Set to help you determine if it's the right choice for your adventures. Pros: and the more comprehensive kit. The inclusion of multiple items in the Naturehike set means you have all the essential cookware and utensils needed for outdoor cooking. This eliminates the need for additional purchases and helps keep your packing simple. Lightweight and portable. The design prioritizes portability, making it easy to carry during hikes and camping trips. The lightweight materials contribute to reducing the overall weight of your gear, which is especially beneficial for backpackers. Versatile cooking options. The variety of cookware included allows for a range of cooking methods, from boiling water for instant meals to frying or sautéing ingredients. This versatility makes it suitable for different cooking styles and preferences. Durable construction. Made from high-quality materials, the cookware set is designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Its durability ensures that it can handle the wear and tear of camping adventures without compromising performance. User-friendly. The straightforward design makes it easy to set up and use, allowing campers to focus on enjoying their meals rather than struggling with complicated cookware. Cons: basic design features. The Naturehike set may lack some advanced features found in higher-end cookware, such as non-stick coatings or specialized utensils. Campers looking for extra conveniences might find the set too basic. The Naturehike Camping Cookware Set is a practical and comprehensive solution for outdoor cooking, catering to the needs of campers, hikers, and picnic goers alike. With its complete kit, lightweight design, and versatility, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor cooking experience.